So I have some Rich Amiri samples I need to cook up with. So I'm gonna pull up some of those samples. Gotta make sure your posture is A1. So I'm gonna save this. Thought I already. What I like to do is just reference the bass line pattern, and gonna make some 808s around it. So I'm gonna go to Envirals 808s. Make this one unique, copy these. All right. So that's one beat done. So I'll save this new. I think this is kind of cool. Yeah, I'm using two 808s, but they're done at different times, so they don't like overlap. You don't want to have overlapping 808s, but yeah, using multiple 808s is a wave right now with these underground rappers like Yeat, Rich Amiri, and all those guys. The homie and Viral got me hooked on it, and ever since I've been using the 2 808 method, I haven't gone any other way. It's like almost every time I use 2 808s. Cause like I do like one with like more distortion and one like just normal. Like it's I don't know. It adds like a little bit of a bounce. I don't know. I want to see. I want to try to like. That's cool. There we go. Control B, Alt T, chorus, Alt T, intro. pretty cool, I think. It's a little bit more of like a future type beat, I feel like, but kind of does, you know, it's sort of similar. Not ish. Alright, so we're going to start on a new one. How many of these am I going to bang out today? We shall see. Alright, this is gonna be easy. I already have like a groove. I swear. This should be dumb easy. Yeah, an open hat. Alright. Hi-hat. Rich Amiri Type Beats. I feel like that was a pretty productive stream so far. I would say, you know, like an hour in. So I don't know. I'm kind of like ready to be done. I feel like 3 beats was pretty good work. So I appreciate everyone that tuned in, that popped on by. I'm probably gonna be doing more streams and then just chopping up the streams and then uploading them. You know, if there's questions and then things that people need help with, then during the stream, you know, I'm always looking at chat, so I'll just respond. And then, you know, if there's something that's clippable, then maybe we turn it into clips. So yeah, this is Andrew. BDAT. Thank you for you guys tuning in, and I will see you guys later. Adios. Bye bye.